In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and customize a calendar in Notion. We'll go step by step, so by the end of this tutorial, you'll have your own functional calendar set up and tailored to your needs. Let's get started. First, open your Notion workspace. This is where all your pages, databases, and projects live. Choose the page where you'd like to insert the calendar. This can be a personal dashboard, a team workspace, or any other page you're organizing. Now, in that page, type / followed by the word calendar. Notion will show you a list of options. From here, select Calendar View. As soon as you click it, Notion will create a calendar block right on your page. You'll see an empty calendar grid appear, and this is where the magic starts. You can begin populating it with tasks, events, deadlines, or anything else you need to track. Now, you might be wondering, what can I actually do with this calendar? Notion calendars are incredibly flexible. Click on any date and you can start adding content, notes, tags, linked pages, reminders, and more. Each calendar entry becomes its own database item, so you can fully customize it just like any Notion database. Want to change the starting day of the week? For example, if your week starts on Monday instead of Sunday, Notion has you covered. Here's how to change it. Go to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings and Members. Then navigate to the Language and Region or Preferences section, depending on your layout. There, you'll find an option labeled Start Week on Monday. Simply toggle that switch on, and your calendar will now reflect Monday as the first day of the week. Perfect if that's how your workflow is structured. And that's it. You've just created a calendar in Notion and customized it to match how you work. This setup is ideal for tracking personal goals, team deadlines, content planning, project management, and more, all in one organized space. Plus, since Notion syncs across devices, you'll always have access to your calendar, whether you're on your laptop, tablet, or phone. If you're curious about further customization, like filtering events, adding color-coded tags, or syncing with other databases, I highly recommend exploring Notion's Help Center or checking out some of our other videos on advanced workflows. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Notion tips and tutorials. Drop your questions or ideas in the comments. I always love hearing how others use Notion. Until next time, happy organizing!